ID for me?
What time y'all close though?
We close at 5.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's up, guys? You like the blue hair? Oh no. Let's fix you. Can you take a picture of me?
Bruh.
Vlogging real quick.
Hey
So,
vlog,
guys,
she's gonna be taking a picture of me real quick.
So guys, we got into a lot of hiccups that I didn't record previously, but like, are you taking a picture by yourself?
No. I need to pay for parking here.
But anyways, so we just came to the Coca-Cola thingy. We're gonna come back. We're finna go get some brunch real quick because we're in a something minute wait. So we ran into some of these little boys from Queens, right? Some guys from Queens, right? And so they was talking about, oh, can you put us in your reservation and whatnot? And I'm just like, no. No, you cannot be in our reservation. Other than that, I don't know, you might see some boys, you might not see some boys, but Atlanta is something else out here. But enough about me. Look at this place, like it's really nice. My friend over there. Finna go take some pictures and then eat some food. I'll probably record some of the food stuff and how it looks like. But definitely check out the Atlanta breakfast bunch or breakfast lunch thingy, whatever it's called. I'll probably link it later in description boxes of the places to see in Atlanta. Other than that, yep, stay tuned.
Come in. No, we gotta go look at it. Come on.
Look at the little baby.
No.
Vlog is gonna be kind of short, so yeah, unfortunately my phone about to die, so we're gonna have to call this a day. But stay tuned for part 2 or 3, whatever the parts we're gonna have, but just stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, that's a little special that I just added to the end of that video. But thank you guys so much for traveling with me these last 5 days of going to Atlanta. We're headed back to good old Texas. But yeah, see you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me. Peace out.